it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening this package and showing you what's inside. I've ordered this from 123stitch.com, and here I have cross stitch kits and cross stitch charts. So if you're interested in seeing what's in it, stay tuned and I'll see you soon. So let's get to it. I've bought 2 kits, cross stitch kits, and 3 charts that I want to show you, and I want to start with the kits. The first one, this is from Dimensions Gold Collections. These beautiful nature scenery. You have the flowers and butterflies and a bird or 2 birds. This is stitched on black Aida fabric, 14 count. And the finished 14 by 14 inches. Beautiful colors. It is very, very challenging to cross stitch on black, but I thought, oh, why not give it a try? So, next one. I don't really know how to pronounce the maker of this kit. Bodhi Threads. I'm not sure. I think I'm butchering it. Please let me know how to pronounce it. But this is really cool for Halloween. You have a witch here making some kind of a potion. It's Halloween. You have a skeleton, a cat, a rat, spiders, and all of this is stitched with black floss, and the moon is stitched with metallic thread. And you can see that the fabric, this is 14 count, and it has some color on it. So if you see here, this is darker and this is lighter, and you also have you can see the stars here, and I think there's like 2 needles in here and a lot of black floss. So this is cool. I think I might start cross stitching this in somewhere in autumn, the fall. And now I have 3 charts that I want to show you. The first one, this is by Cottage Garden Samplings. I have bought some of them before, and I have a Santa Claus that would really nicely go together with this snowman. You have the instructions. It looks very easy. I don't think this is going to take a long time to cross stitch. Next one. This is new for me. The Prairie Schooler, if I'm pronouncing this word correctly. You have 3 different charts in here. First one is like a Amish village. Then you have a witch, and you have a turkey. So this is also cool to cross stitch in the fall, autumn. And the last one, this is one of my favorite designers, Joan Elliott, Springtime Geisha. I love Joan Elliott. I have a lot of her cross stitch charts. And last year, she came up with a winter geisha that I bought. This is what it looks like, winter geisha. And this year, she came up with a spring geisha. And I really, really hope that she will make summer geisha, or fall geisha, autumn geisha. So Joan Elliott, if you're listening to this, please make us summer and autumn geisha, please. So that's about it. Let me know in the comment section what chart or cross stitch kit you like the most. Is it these, or these 2? I hope you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And subscribe because there's lots more to come. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great week. All the best to you. Bye bye.